Hi there, I'm Amber and these are our Tumbled Belgian Pavers. This block brings a unique rustic look to any patio, walkway, or driveway. We achieve this look by having each block go through a tumbled process, giving it an aged aesthetic. Don't worry, these blocks are fine, they are very tough. Our circle kits are also made out of the same style block. The best part, there is no cutting necessary for the circle patio. Need to hear that again? There is no cutting necessary for this circle patio. And you can continue the circle pattern past 9.5 feet by just using the regular tumbled Belgian paver. And because we love the look of this block so much, we even have wall blocks and edgers in the same style. So you can have your entire outdoor space from this tumbled Belgian look. To learn more about the tumbled Belgian pavers or any of our other tumbled Belgian blocks, visit our website or pick up your blocks today at your local Menards. Happy building!